Hey guys, it's Shalicia coming at you with a big-ish collective drugstore haul. If y'all know, I'm always shopping at Shoppers Drug Mart. If you didn't, now you know. And I picked up some things over the last couple months since like my last collective Shoppers haul that I want to share with you. First things first, I can't remember if I shared with you the other fragrance I bought, which is the Gucci Flora. I'll put a picture right here, but I bought that like in the summer. And Giorgio Armani came out with the new My Way fragrance for women, so I had to pick it up. It smells like a dream. And I'll show you the color of the actual box is. This is the box. I haven't opened it because I got a couple of fragrance samples the last time I was there, and I'm still using those. But I love... Oh, why do I always struggle? This is what it looks like. Such a cute bottle. It's very classic looking and whatnot. And honestly, I'm loving this fragrance. It's like my go-to when I'm going anywhere right now. It's a dream. I'm definitely gonna do Scent Sunday on it, so definitely stay tuned for that. Next, let me move into not quite makeup related, but I've always wanted to get one of those spinning brush cleaning kind of things, and the brand Quo came out with one for Shoppers, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's like $30, so I picked it up, and it's battery operated. I'm definitely gonna like try it out and do a demo with it as I knock things over. Show you what it looks like. I'm legit gonna use it tonight and see how it works. So it comes with the little stand for your brushes, I guess, or like the applicators for it. Comes with the handle. It needs batteries. I have batteries downstairs, so I'm gonna try it out tonight because I haven't washed my brushes in weeks. Because then again, I haven't really been using my brushes. It comes with the bowl. And the attachments and stuff for it. So I'm super excited about that. Maybe I'll do like a little demo video with it. And hopefully I can get that up right away so y'all can see how it works. And it does come with the instructions on how to use it and set it up and everything. And I dropped something, so give me 1 second. And now, sorry, I dropped it. Moving into some nail stuff. If y'all are new to my channel, during COVID, I decided I wanted to pick up doing my own nails, which I just broke one. But they're not even done right now, so I need to get them done or do them. But I don't think I have any nude collections in nude polishes in my collection. So I picked up the Sally Hansen Salon Gel Polish in Pearls Please, which is this one right here, as well as Pat on the Black, which is a really deep maroon wine color, like that. I think I'm gonna wear this next when I do my nails tonight. That's the goal. Then let's go into the eye stuff because that's the one I have the least about. L'Oreal Voluminous came out with a new mascara color in Deep Violet, and I really like these mascaras. So I always get the new colors when they come out because that's just what I do. I picked up 4 of the Maybelline Color Strike Cream to Powder eyeshadows pens. These are the ones I got. This one is Crave, which is a matte, Fit Tempt, which is a matte, Rally, which is a metallic, and Ace is a matte. And because it's COVID, I'm really not wearing makeup by any means. That's why you haven't seen videos from me, to be honest, because I'm not doing anything. But I figured that we're fall, transitioning to fall, winter is currently snowing outside my window, that I would focus on playing up the eyes and not so much the rest of my face, just because I'm in a mask 24/7 at work. So no one's really seeing it. So I thought it'd be a fun way to do like a one shadow kind of look, because that's all I'm really into. Then Barbie and Pure came out with a new collection. They had a collection, I want to say last year-ish. And I think I got the eyeshadow palette. I can't remember. I remember getting the lipstick. I know I got one of the lipsticks. Give me 1 second. I legit got it for the metallics in this eyeshadow palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It comes with a decent sized mirror. And these are the shadows in this palette. Look how beautiful they are. I'm really feeling this shade right here, which is Skipper, as well as like these two metallics here. Like this is gonna be such a pretty palette just for like quick looks, holiday looks, whatever your heart pleases kind of looks. And then I also got a lipstick from that collection, and it's called Innovator. And the packaging is just as cute as last time's. It looks like this. You click it, and the lipstick pops down. And it's just like a nice pinky mauve nude. I thought it'd go really well with that palette. And for those days, I actually want to maybe wear lipstick. And then I got these at the beginning of fall. I got 2 of the L'Oreal Color Riche lipsticks, one in Paris, New York, and Berry Parisian. Number 127 is the first one. Which, you know, if you know me, your girl likes vampy lip colors. So I'm about simple eyes, bold lips, or bold eyes, simple lips. And this is 137. Right here, they're very similar. The first one's a little darker, more berry toned. I can't wait to rock these shades. And then I think I was watching Andrea Renee, and she was talking about like lip colors that work really well for like transfer proof on face masks. So I picked up 4 of the CoverGirl Outlast All Day. So the first one I have is Deep Warm. It's the custom nudes ones. This is what it looks like. Hold on, right there. It's a really nice, pretty nude. I got Deep Cool, which is also another one of the custom nudes. Right there. I picked up Unique Burgundy, which is this bad boy right here, and Blossom Berry. Like, I like these kind of tones, guys. I'm like a very berry-esque, bright pink-esque person. Not really into nudes, but I figured I should try to transition into them because nudes are very pretty, and I like how they look on other people. I just need to embrace it on myself. Just like I'm wearing today, I am wearing the Milani and Salt and Pepper collection in Shoop. It's a pretty nude. I really like it. Complements look really well. And then I picked up 2 of the newer L'Oreal Paris like liquid lipsticks, gloss things. They're like vinyl ones. This one is in Be Powerful 312. It's really nice, pretty red. And then this one is Be Uncompromising, which is like another pinky berry. Right there. I picked up 2 more of the L'Oreal liquid lipsticks doohickeys. These don't have names on them, guys. This one is Everlasting Caramel, which is 201, which is like a pretty pinky nude. And then this one is Cherry, number 217. It's a really nice deep, like, red. I'm down to the last 4. And then I picked up two of the Essence Plumping lip glosses. They're nude ones. They don't have color names, I think. Oh, so this one is She's So Extra. It's another pretty nude. And then this one is So Heavy. Right there. And then the final two lip things I got from the drugstore are the new Maybelline Lifter glosses that have the hyaluronic acid in them. I heard these were super comparable to the Fenty lip glossy bombs, so I picked them up. This one is Petal, and then this one is Stone. So I'm like really into a nude thing, so I'm figuring if I'm gonna be wearing them under a mask, I don't want to be like a bright pink that could transfer across my face, because with my look that will happen. Oh, and I did pick up 4 eyeliners from NYX. These are from their Neon collection this summer. Like I said, I've been just wanting to play up my eyes and not really do anything too much, because where am I really going? Nowhere. So I picked up the Vivid Brights eyeliners right here. The top one, the purple is called Shine Bitch. This one is Love. This one is She Bang. And the teal one is Wheo. It's like WHEO. So that is my little collective drugstore haul. I'm most excited about like trying the lip colors and the eyeshadow palette. So hopefully I make effort and use it really soon so I can share with y'all my thoughts on it. But yeah, if you've tried out any of these items, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on it. Definitely stay tuned because I'm about to fill a Sephora haul. Not that it's as big as this one, right? Follow me on all my social media. It'll be all listed down below. And I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.